Tandav released, and frankly we had some minor hopes that this series would be good because the trailer looked promising, and with this star cast the show could have been a runaway success, but god was it bad. Let us start off by saying that this show will spark a lot of religious debate. But we are going to stay away from all of the religious and political topics, and we will only focus on how the show was from a neutral standpoint. So as usual, we'll be talking about the acting, the direction, the story, the characters, and all the other technical aspects of it. To start off with, let's talk about the direction of the show. When the trailer of Tandav released, वहाँ पे लिखा था from the makers of Sultan, Tiger Zinda Hai and Bharat. So we already had a doubt that this series is going to be complete Bollywood, मतलब full on predictable and over dramatic. And sadly that is exactly what happened. Also, a quick thing we want to talk about is the trailer of this series, which was very badly edited. Most of the shocking reveals and story was presented in the trailer itself. For example, the first full episode of the show is a tedious build-up to Saif killing his own father, played by Tigmanshu Dhulia. But you don't feel any intrigue or tension because the trailer already showed Saif doing the rituals and Dimple Kapadia telling him that she knows that he killed his father. And this scene takes place in the third episode. So you already know what's gonna happen, and this happens throughout the show. Directed by Ali Abbas Zafar, this show is exactly how we thought it would be. Complete Bollywood. और वो भी 2000s वाला Bollywood. The camera shots feel old and the entire vibe of the show doesn't feel real. Matlab right from the start, the show wants you to believe in stuff that is not real. Apparently, aconite is a poison that can't be detected. But a quick Google search will tell you that it can easily be detected. And then Zisha Ayub character recreates a whole fake encounter and records it to prove that the encounter happened. And these are the things that happened in the first 2 episodes itself. And the entire show is full of stuff like this. The story of this show is written by Gaurav Solanki. This is the same man who wrote Article 15, and we had hopes from him. But apparently, he left the show midway and won't be coming back for the next season because he was not involved during the filming of the show at all. And it shows. Tandav has एक से बढ़कर एक cliche characters doing cliche things. मतलब Saif is supposed to be this bad person with a smart master plan to become the prime minister. But वो हर बंदे को पकड़ पकड़ के बता रहा है कि सुन सुन, मैंने ही अपने बाप को मारा है. ये कैसा मास्टर प्लान है भाई? ऑल्सो सटलिटी नाम की चीज नहीं है ये शो में. हर एक कैरेक्टर खुद के ही कैरेक्टर को एक्सप्लेन करे जा रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, there's this scene. Kritika Kamra is having an affair with her teacher Dino Moria, and she says to him that she's trying to fill a void of an absent father with him. Now this might be true, but the character should not say it out loud because she's not a fucking psychiatrist to know this. उसके एक्शन से नेचुरली पता लगना चाहिए ये बात. But the show is just too small in length, execution and thought process to build its characters slowly. Sunil Grover is a Wafadar killer. So he is a Wafadar killer. We don't see why he's like this or how he became like this. Nothing. The lack of subtlety is very apparent when a satsang ka show is used as a commentary on many of the scenes. But then suddenly the satsang guy starts saying stuff like दुनिया आपकी मार रही है तो आप भी दुनिया की मारो. Also, this really felt like a blatant copy of Sacred Games and the Discovery Channel thing from Mirzapur. Also, the acting by the actors is kind of confusing to evaluate because when the writing is so bad, there's not a lot that the actors can do with this script. Saif feels like he's Saif, Dimple Kapadia is okay, Zishan Ayub is kind of weak in this series, and Sunil Grover was probably the surprising one. But even he doesn't feel as menacing as he should because, as we said, the writing is weak. The rest of the cast is just there. They don't do anything great. And when it comes to the technical aspect of the show, it fails massively, especially in the background music department. Literally in the first 2 or 3 episodes, we don't think there's a single scene with no background music in it, which reduces the importance of the background music. So when a really powerful scene comes on, you don't have anything special to highlight it with. Also, they took the rights to the song Dhakka Laga Buga from Yuva and decided to use that every time the youth party comes on, which really killed its vibe. Let us give you a good example. Scam 1992. We all know how powerful its theme music was. But in the entire show, it was used only in one scene. And the fact that we are even comparing Tandav with shows like Scam 1992, Mirzapur and Sacred Games is really dumb. But we just want to show you guys how this show has failed on different levels and why Ali Abbas Zafar, who by the way has only made his name sticking to Bhai, is not a good director. All in all, we won't be surprised if Tandav doesn't get a second season. Mostly because of the reception it's getting on Twitter, but also because of how bad the show actually is. And there are literally no excuses as to why this series with a huge star cast and a huge budget is a fika show with lazy writing and direction. But it's okay because this show is just a filler and we're actually looking forward to Family Man Season 2 anyways. So this was our review for how bad Tandav really is. Guys, do let us know in the comments below, have you watched this series? Are you going to invest your time in this? Or are you smart and you read the reviews and you don't want to watch it? And if you watched it, what are your thoughts about it? Let us know. Also, let us know in the comments below what are the videos you want us to make next. Follow our social media handles to get to know us better, like and share this video, and subscribe to Brainwash for more videos like these.